Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, we're asked to calculate the bearing of what? We're asked to calculate the bearing of R from T. The bearing of R from T. Ladies and gentlemen, the point that comes after the word from is T, so I go to T to draw my north-south, and I also draw my what? East-west lines. Alright, bearing is the angle between the north-south line and the line connecting the 2 points. Again, bearing is the angle between the north-south line and the line connecting the 2 points. Bearing is measured what? Clockwise from north. So the angle I'm interested in is that entire angle there. Alright, I know a piece of it. I know that this half is equal to 180 degrees. I know that alpha is equal to what? 47 degrees. What I don't know is this angle here, and I'm going to call it what? I'm going to call it theta. Now, by looking what carefully at what? At this at the diagram, I can see that I have what? Two what? North-south lines here. And remember I told that what? Two north-south lines are parallel to each other. So if you look carefully, you can see that what? This angle here, theta, forms what? Z angles with the 33 degrees. So theta, alright, let's call it theta 1 because I think we have theta already. Theta 1 is equal to what? 33 degrees. And the reason is that they are what? They are alternate or Z angles. Alright, see there? There's my Z. Alright, so now it means that the bearing of R from T is equal to 180 plus theta 1, which is 33 degrees, plus the 47 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, the bearing is equal to 260 degrees. So the bearing of R from T, this entire angle here, is 260 degrees. Alright, now for the part C of the question, we're told that the ship leaves Port T and travels due west. Alright, so the ship leaves T and it's traveling what? West. Alright, there's only one west. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So this ship is traveling in this direction. Traveling west, and we're told that what? It travels west to a point X, which is what? North of R. Alright, so this is R, so north of R is somewhere in this direction, and then so X now is north of R, this is the point X, and X now, this is the point X, which is what? North of R, but it's what? West of T. Ladies and gentlemen, we're asked to what? Show on your diagram the journey of what? The journey from T to X, which we just did that. Ladies and gentlemen, lastly, we're asked to calculate TX. Alright, I'm just going to draw a little redrawing. Alright, just to make everything clear for us to see what we're dealing with. Alright, this is our right angle triangle here. This is the point R. This is the point X. This is the point T. Alright. Now, if you remember from our diagram that this is what? Remember, T is west. And the angle between north and this angle here between R, connecting R and T, that angle is what? 260 degrees. So the only piece that is left, let's call in here A, is this piece. Now, if from here to west, from north to west, the angle is 270 degrees. But from north to line TR is 260 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, it means that what? Angle A is equal to what? 270 minus 260, which is equal to what? 10 degrees. So this angle here is equal to 10 degrees. Alright, why 90 here? We're told that this is what? This is west. Alright, so if I continue here, we're told that this is what? West. So that x is west of t, which means that what? T is east of x. So this is what? East, and this is what? South. The angle between east and south, this angle here is 90 degrees. It means therefore, ladies and gentlemen, if we have 90 degrees here, this length at RT is equal to what? 75 kilometers. And we're asked to find xt. Let us call that length, let us call it y. Ladies and gentlemen, triangle XRT is a right angle triangle, where TR over here, the 75 kilometers, is the hypotenuse, and side Y is the adjacent. Now the ratio that involves hypotenuse and adjacent, or adjacent and hypotenuse, is the cosine ratio. Ladies and gentlemen, sine, cosine and tangent is always of an angle. Therefore, the cosine of 10 degrees is equal to, the cosine of 10 degrees is equal to adjacent, which is y, over hypotenuse, which is what? 75. Ladies and gentlemen, if one fraction is equal to what? One fraction, I'm going to cross multiply. So what I have is what? 75 times the cosine of 10 is equal to y. Ladies and gentlemen, it means that y is equal to what? 75 times the cosine of 10 which is equal to 0.985. Ladies and gentlemen, it means that y is equal to y is equal to 73.88, and that is what? Kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, we're asked to what? Let's calculate the distance. Alright, I would just basically round it off to what? 73.9 kilometers. Alright, and y is xt is equal to 73.9, again, kilometers.